We're in the midst of both a climate and a biodiversity emergency, and forestry and new tree plantations like this are internationally recognised as playing a vital role in both fighting biodiversity loss and climate change. But it's not just about biodiversity and climate, it's about communities and people as well. And it's about ensuring that we're on a just transition. And that's why last year we launched the Forestry Skills Training Programme. And this is a programme available to members of the local community who, during a fully funded 3-week period, will receive all of the training, skills, certifications, mentoring and safety equipment that they would need to commence a new career in forestry. And here up ahead is Tom, who's one of the first participants in last year's skills training programme. So let's go and talk to him to find out how he found it. Hi Tom.
Hi there.
So what made you apply for the skills training programme?
Oh, just to advance my forestry skills as much as I can. I've got a nice future ahead of me if I carry on, so the more help I get, the better really, isn't it?
Yeah. And how did you find the 3 weeks?
Oh, amazing. Honestly, the chance that gets given in that course is unbelievable. The fact that you can get all those skills and have them given to you for free, it's unbelievable considering the amount of costs that are normally involved with achieving those courses.
And what was some of the more challenging parts?
Definitely learning a chainsaw. Like, as much as you think it's going to be all fun and games, at the end of the day, it's a heavy piece of equipment, and it makes you realise how important it is for health and safety to have the courses.
And have you used any of the skills that you picked up during the course after?
Oh, definitely loads. So with the chainsaw, it's been a big help actually. It's allowed me to expand my work into thinning out work and to do cleaning work as well with the chainsaw, which you can't just do with a brush cutter. And but then again, you give me the brush cutter course as well and the clearing saw course whilst I was on the course. So they've been really useful as well, learning a few new tricks with the clearing saw.
That's great. And what's it meant for you personally?
Oh, loads, honestly. It just shows appreciation in the work line that you work for.
And you mentioned earlier that you hopefully about to sign up to a new lease on a house, which is exciting.
Yeah, can't wait for that.
Yeah.
That'll be amazing. Just right down from a bank farm as well, so be perfect for managing that as the trees begin to grow more.
That's brilliant. All right, well thanks very much for that.
No problem.
That's really helpful.
I would shake your hand, but then end up being brown.
All right, thanks Tom.
Hey, no problem.
And it's through initiatives like this that we're ensuring that Foresight is not just directly contributing to the fight against climate change and biodiversity loss, but it's working and collaborating with local people and communities.